how to use mobile phone to play back the videos on the camera. First, we need to turn on the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot in the standby mode. In standby mode, when the green lights stand still, and we hold the power button for about 2 seconds. For about 2 seconds and release it. You cannot keep pressing the power button, or the camera will be shut down. And now you see the green lights flashing rapidly, which means the Wi-Fi is activated. Now let's download the YJU app. You can scan the QR code on our menu to download the YJU app. Scan the QR code on the menu to download it. And let's turn on the YJU app and then connect. You see the camera is offline now. We click to connect and find out the camera SSID Wi-Fi name starting with J15, and we enter the password 1234567 and then click the connect button. So you see it is connected now, no internet, right? And we go back. So it's reminding us to switch to the 4G, so we just want to keep it. Don't switch to other Wi-Fi or 4G. And now you see to camera or the camera connected test. We just click to camera. Now we see that the camera is in the previewing mode, right? Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the video icon. We press it and the video recording stops. And this is the photo icon. Press it to take a photo. We go back to the camera file. You can see the camera file here, and click on it to download it. It is very slow sometimes, so we have to wait. We suggest to download it before playback it first, because the Wi-Fi connection may be slow, so we download it to your phone first. Okay, now it's downloaded. We can share to others by this icon. Click share, but you know the video files are pretty large before you share, so it's better to pick out some small views to share. And let's go back to other functions. You can start video recording again by press this button and stop it. And go to the camera setting here. Okay, the sound recording, you can stop the sound recording, and you can choose the photo resolution from 2 megapixels to 12 megapixels, and choose the resolution between 1080 and 720. And this is the video segment durations. If you switch to 10 minutes, the video will be kept in the memory card each 10 minutes, like 10 minutes. Delay of time means that the auto power off time. After 60 minutes, if there is no interaction with the camera will power off automatically. The IR mode, the night vision mode, you can set it to be off. Then the night vision lights will not be on. They will be off always. You can set them to be on, and they will be on always. And if you set them to auto, when in the dark, the camera detects and it will turn on the night vision lights automatically. And you can set up the time format from here, and you can change the Wi-Fi name here, change the password here. If you want to change the password, please keep the password in mind. If you forgot the password, it is very complicated to get it back. And you can format the SD card here. If you want to format it, all the data on the camera will get lost, and you can reset. It will clear the settings for the camera, but you won't delete the videos. Okay, for the application, that's all about it.